Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Now this vlog is a special one because a lot of MBA students who I speak with, to whom I say that hey, you can create your own career outcomes from your MBA, and MBA can empower you so much that you might not even need the on-campus placements, and you can truly get the outcomes which you are interested in, and you can live a life of freedom. However, I usually speak to the MBA students who are interested in the field of marketing, and a lot of students who are interested in the field of, say, finance. They also ask me a lot that hey, we are inspired about all of these things which you say that hey, how can we create something of our own during our MBA so that we can stand apart from everyone else, but we are interested only in finance. Now for them I am planning something, and I am about to step out of the house. It's around 12 o'clock here at night, and I am about to go to meet somebody, so that after this a lot of MBA students who are interested in the field of finance can get the best career outcomes from their MBA. As I'll be on my way, I'll be explaining you a bit more. Hi guys, so it's around 12 o'clock here in Dubai, and I'm heading out to have some tea over here right now. And by the way, you'll be able to see the Burj behind me, right up there. So where I'm heading right now, I will meet a friend over there, and she's gonna help you and I to create something fantastic for all the MBA students who are interested in the field of finance, so that you can get the best outcomes for yourself in the field of finance, and you can truly live the life which you are interested in. So this particular video of mine is specifically to help you understand that yes, we are creating something specifically for the students of finance who are really eager to make their life out of MBA amazing. Hi Sadhna, how are you doing? All good? Hi guys, it's around 1 a.m. here, and I am having tea somewhere outside. You'll be able to see the entire place, all of this, and you would have already seen somebody over here with me. So I am working right now with Miss Sadhna from IIM Ahmedabad. She's a first year student now. She would be a second year student at IIM. Hi Sadhna. And we're here planning for our set of programs which we are planning to have on SH for you people, so that you can not only understand marketing but also finance. She happens to be a CA, and hence her expertise in this is going to be just amazing. Sorry? Yeah. Darpan, yeah. There only, I'm there only.
With finance.
No, it's not about we, it's about you. So that you can get the BEST.
Yeah, so that you can get the benefit. So you can get the best possible synergy out of marketing plus finance. मीटिंग शेड्यूलिंग से बेटर ये है कि हम इसमें लिखें.
So while we are creating all of these things for you, how about you have a quick intro about who she is and what is her entire experience in finance, and how she can truly help you get the best outcomes for yourself in the field of finance. Over to her.
Hi everyone, I am Sadhna Sharma, a chartered accountant currently doing my MBA at IIM Ahmedabad. So I am currently pursuing my internship at an investment firm in Dubai, and it's been a great experience here. So Darpan and I are planning something for you guys so that you can get the synergy of finance with marketing. So just wait for the courses to be uploaded, and then you can get the benefit by understanding the basic concepts of finance that you can apply maybe in your curriculum while doing your MBA, or if you are a working professional, you can probably use that. And we are going to include the intricate things that are going to help you do whatever you want.
So the idea is that courses, they cannot be very long also, and we cannot have a lot of videos in them. The duration of each of them also have to be like short, because then the objective is, see, completion rate is very important. For me, when the student would complete a course, they would actually extremely excited about it. So if there is suppose 300 or 400 videos which we can create in the entire of finance, then we need to now smartly be able to split them up into courses. So how do you see it? How do you see that? Yeah.
Well, this can be done, but we need to see that what major brackets into finance that we can create, and what all subtopics we can create, or we can add to these specific topics under finance. And maybe a few that I can think of are accounting or corporate finance. Then there could be valuation, and then there could be particularly accounting for the marketers. So accounting for the marketers is basically here maybe we can try to make them understand how they will actually have to work when it will be a corporate scenario, because as you know that I've worked at young brands and I've worked with the marketers as well. So there the sort of accounting, or should I say the sort of Excel use that the marketers have to do, specifically that, so which involves budgeting, which involves planning, which involves which again involves segregation of various marketing expenditure into different buckets, and then making an expectation as in, how much expenditure you're going to incur for the whole year. So all of that involves not only the marketing knowledge, but rather the financial planning as well as the Excel knowledge.
So that also means that we need to include Excel into the mix.
Absolutely.
And all of this which you've said over here, do you think this covers the entire of
No, this is just the accounts that will be used for the fresh MBA students who are from non-commerce background, and they are basically trying to understand the basics of accounting, I would say, before they actually start their MBA journey. This is particularly for those. This does not involve what you're actually going to do as a marketer in the corporate.
Okay, so I am at home again. On my way home, I am taking the elevator upstairs and had a great night planning a few things for you guys, and I'm sure that whenever these programs are out, you'll truly enjoy them. Hi guys, so I am home now, and so for me to help you understand that what we are creating for you people, we are creating a series of courses which will help you MBA students get the most practical understanding of finance, so that you can immediately apply those concepts in real world projects. As you know, I always advise MBA students that you should start to do freelancing. It's very important for you to freelance, not only because of the fact that freelancing will help you practice your skills, but also for the simple reason that freelancing will open up a lot of opportunities for you to live a lifestyle of freedom. Even when you are in your MBA, it will open up opportunities for you to off-campus placements, and most importantly, it will help you create a good portfolio of work which you can show around and you can build your expertise on it. So the idea is, and I'll just share with you my screen now. So if you can see now, right now we are on our site, we are on academy.superheuristics. If we go inside over here in courses, you'll be able to see all of the courses which I have created for you people, for the MBA students. And one clear thing which you will observe is that all of these programs are basically for students who are interested in the field of marketing. So all of them, be it marketing analytics, be it DM, be it all of these things, all of these, each of these programs which are free with this package over here. So if you enroll for this, all of these will be for free for you. The objective of all of these is that how can you imbibe marketing skills, and you can use these skills in the real world so that you can build a lot of projects and you can start to live a lifestyle of freedom. However, we realized that yes, probably we need to have similar kind of programs for the students of finance. So for example, if there is a program on the marketing concepts mastery, the same way we need to have a program on, say for example, a finance concepts, and hence a lot of those programs are being planned now. So effectively what you can expect is that there would be courses on, say, financial accounting, on managerial accounting, on corporate finance, on valuation, and on financial statement analysis. All of these courses will be created, and the objective is that you should understand it in a way so that after completing this, you can immediately take up any freelancing assignment with any organization, or you can directly go ahead and apply it to any organization so that you can start to earn from it. Because it is only when you earn money, and it is only that when you have the skills which will help you earn, that is one of the ways for you to understand that yes, you have truly understood that skill. So if somebody, any entrepreneur around the world is interested to pay you for a skill, you know that you've truly imbibed that skill. So that is the entire interaction which I had with Sadhna in our meeting where we had tea and everything, and I would most likely invite her for a few more videos with us, wherein she will explain you a lot of other aspects of how it works at IIM Ahmedabad, how it works at some of the top B schools, and also overall, if you're interested in the field of finance, how you can create great outcomes for yourself in that field. So I hope with this you are excited to see a range of new programs, and if you're somebody who's an MBA student who's really interested in this field, do not forget to enroll for my community 5 Steps Ahead, which I just now had shown you. 5 Steps Ahead is probably the only community where we are talking about how can MBA students make their own outcomes for their own selves without entirely depending on their MBA placements. Placements are great, but you have so much more that probably you could create an entire lifestyle for yourself without the placements, so that you can choose the work you want to do, you can travel, you can have fun, you can meet new guys out there, and you cannot only be trapped in a job which you may or may not really enjoy. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks a lot and goodbye.